Do you want to make a career change? Perhaps you're in between jobs and thinking it is a good time to consider a career change. Perhaps you're working and discovered that the work you are doing does not align with your goals. Today, we are going to talk about career transition and how to do so successfully. For the best career advice, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post new videos every week. Hello, goal-inspired professionals. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yvonne Robinson, your career and branding strategist. I use unique winning career strategies to help career professionals like you up-level and be the best in your career. I know that many of you are in transition and the pandemic does not make it any better. How to change your career and change it successfully? You are wondering about this, right? So I have made major career changes throughout my career. But you today, you are in a better position than I was in, right? Because you have lots of tools. You have technologies, you have learning opportunities that can help you. There are lots of online resources, guys, so be optimistic. Be optimistic. When you're making a career change, consider two main things. Consider the timing and consider the role. Right? The timing is very important because you may need extra time to plan the change. You may need to take some extra courses to be successful, right? Take some extra courses and successfully perform the role. What career role are you looking for? If you do not know, you will need to conduct research to choose the right role. So what I want you to do is to comment below. Let me know if you're in a transition, making a career change, and what your challenges are. You need to make a plan, right? You need to make a plan, guys. Set some goals. So we're going to talk about 5 steps. And the 5 steps are, you should determine your dream career. Then you're going to do a gap analysis. You're going to see where you are now and where you need to go and what you need to do in between that. Then you're going to do an investigation. You're going to create your best resume and you're going to execute that and implement. Right? So let's talk about them one by one. 5 steps. What kind of career do you want? Right? So you have to determine what career you want. If you're not sure, then you're going to conduct the research. You're going to make a list of roles that you would like to do and choose the ones that align with your values and your skills. That's very important. Then the second point, you are going to conduct a gap analysis. Do an analysis of your current skills and qualities and abilities. You need to perform a successful job. So you need to do this skills analysis, right? Do you already have the technical skills that you need for the position? Or do you need to obtain new skills? Can you obtain these skills while you are working at your current job? You also have to consider that, okay? So this is one of the reasons why your timing and clarity about the kind of role that you want is important. Number 3, you're going to do an investigation, guys. You're going to connect with people already doing the dream job and get some insights for the changes that you should be making. Then number 4, you're going to create your best resume. Tailor your resume to the job that you are applying for. And if you don't know how to tailor a resume, I have a video, Winning Resume That Gets You the Job. Winning resume that gets you the job. Watch. So the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to execute your plan. How are you going to execute your plan? You're going to market yourself, right? You're going to begin your job search. Your job search should include reaching out to companies that you are interested in working in. Navigate their websites and search for job postings. You're also going to search for jobs on job searching sites. Yes, I know that people say job searching sites. No, no, no. I have helped many, many people this year during COVID, and they have used all these strategies. They go to job searching sites, they go to company sites, they apply for jobs, and take their efforts to LinkedIn. So that is what I'm telling you to do. That is what works. Regardless of what anybody else says, this is what works. The important thing is that you're going to take your efforts to LinkedIn. So you're going to search for jobs on job searching sites, and you're going to search for jobs on company sites and take your efforts to LinkedIn. So if you do not know how to navigate LinkedIn, you're going to watch my video that says how to get jobs using LinkedIn. Okay? So that is very important. And if you like this video, you're going to let me know by giving me a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe and share with your friends and your family. Comment below also and let me know what your best takeaway was. Let me know if you're having any challenges, guys, because I want to help you. I will respond to each one of you individually. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.